Oh, here they come. Oh, he's eating.
I guess. Goodness.
Here they come.
These bison are actually tremendous athletes. When provoked, they can run as fast as a horse. They can run 30 miles an hour, and they can jump 5 feet high. Yes, they can.
Oh, there's the big one. Oh, here he goes.
Yeah.
Oh, look at the horns on that one.
Oh, he's bad. He's bad news.
Yeah, you messed with the horns. Oh, look at that big one right there, right behind you. He's gonna.
Oh my God, he is. Oh, look at him bump everybody too.
He's a big
Oh
one.
man, he just whacked him.
That's a big bad baby. He's a big boy.
Now, both male and female bison have horns too, just so you know.
Look at that eye. What's
Yep,
wrong with his eye?
he's got a little sore. Oh, geez, here he is. Look at this guy.
He's a big one.
Oh man, you are a biggin. Can you see that baby?
I'm glad to see those babies come up. They're pretty adorable back there.
Yeah.
He's gonna get his share.
Over there.
Now, some more of the bull elk and some of the cow elk was spotted over on the right fence line all the way up the hill a little bit behind us.
Look at him, he's pushing them away.
Uh-oh, we've got, no, we don't need to see that.
If that were right here doing that, we could get bigger stuff.
Nice. Yeah.
That's what I was thinking. He's a big boy.
Maybe it's not good sitting there. Yeah.
There's the baby over there.
That was scratching his head on that one's butt.
Oh, yeah, look at this one, babe. Look how big this one is. He's as tall as there.
Look, he's been rolled in poop too.
Yep.
The babies, really?
No, they don't like
Oh, there they are. Oh, they're protected and they're sticked together.
You wonder how they know that, didn't you?
I know.
Oh, man, mean.
Yep.
All right, we're going on down here a little bit. See what else we can find.
Amazing. Now that is. Yeah, the giant set of balls on that. He's got some sores on him.
Yep.
Baby.
So this winter, some people at Custer National Park saw one